This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on a Airmax 90 for Kiona Marie, better known as Lil Miss Swagger. She hit me up on my DM and she told me that she wanted to do a Dallas Cowboy with those original colors. For her dad for Father's Day. So listen up, we gonna take this dad shoe and turn it into a Lil Miss swag shoe. Okay, let's get it. Hey Dad, happy Father's Day. Let's go.
You did a good job.
Yeah. That was the Airmax 90 Cowboy edition. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You said last week that there will be 2 videos. Yeah, I know. With all the painting and the editing, hey, listen, it was tough. It was tough, and that's why I'm trying to drop a video on a Sunday, because I try to do 2 videos. But hey, enough explaining. Listen, I'm working on something though. I'm working on building out a part of my studio to where I will be able to paint live. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see some of these shoes painted live. Not only that though, we are crossing over to the 150 subscriber mark. Hey man, thank you guys. And I told you on my next giveaway was gonna be at 200. Well, how we gonna get there? I need your help. I need you to go and tell your mama, your cousin, your auntie now, your next door neighbor to subscribe to the channel so that we can go ahead and do that giveaway. Hey, listen, y'all seen that giveaway that I did with the Cowboys? That's over 1,300 views right now. 1,300. Look for yourself. Hey, for those that were sleeping on me, y'all better wake up. Y'all better subscribe to the channel so we can go ahead and get this train rolling. Listen, don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm not gonna hit this camera. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna politely cut it off this time. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.